Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the best app for the best thoughts. So actually you can also earn by this app. So that is this amazing app which is text on a photo. So here these are all the photos which I have selected, and also I have written the thoughts. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So this all like here you will be having templates. You can select the templates and you can do it. And the pro ones, you should pay money, or if you don't want to pay the money, you can watch a video and also get it. So go to library, select go to photos, and then select any pics of yours. Like for example, I'm going to select the shells. So selecting the shell, you can also crop it in this way, original. So go here, yeah, go to next option, like take the click option, and then if you wanted to type anything, you will be having here few options like ornaments. There you're gonna select pictures. If you wanted to select any thoughts, right, then you can select any thoughts here. Stop doubting yourself and everything. So actually you may have doubt that whatever writing your own. So double click and write. I'm going to write live young, live free. So first that live young, this one I'm going to write live young, and go to font option. There select your own hand. Like I'm going to select the best, like my favorite types of handwriting. So I like this October, like the calligraphy type one. And live young, we need to click live free also, right? I like this bombers. And live free, and add text. Click on double tap to edit, click there, and then live free. So here you're gonna select this, no, not this, but it's gonna be a type of it. Yeah, I need the best. Yeah, I think this is good. Any special thing? Yeah. So here I think that Bambus is not good, but I think this is gonna be the best. Yeah, live young, live free. So see, it is looking pretty cool, right? So if you also wanted to add the stickers, and we have also ornament option, in that you can select a line like. So I think I'm going to keep it under the live free. So there I want to click black. See, live free and live young also. I just wanted to keep something like pretty amazing. That is where it is. Yeah, this is, I think this is good. This is not good, but I think line. Oh, anything best? The best. So go here. Yeah, this is not that good, but I think this is good. Yeah, this is better. Go to ornaments and borders. You can also select this, like if you have anything big you can do that, but I think this, for this coat, it's not gonna suit. Hmm. So anything. So go here, white, black. Yeah, black is good. So this is good. So I think this is the best. I can't search continuously search for it. Yeah, this is amazing. So this is looking pretty cool, and I think white color font is going to suit. So this is good. I think this color means, yeah, black. So this is pretty cool. This is done. Go to next option. You can select any type of clarity. I don't have that much storage in my particular mobile, so I think I'll select 480. Actually, there will be no difference in anything, so that's why I think I selected 480. So and then you're gonna get a bit of ads, like when you save it you're gonna get. So yeah, I will show you all my codes. See, this one, this. So just click here. See, this is the day have enough. Go to home. Yeah, these all are which I have created my own. See, in you can also select the templates, like for example, the template, these are related to festivals, nature, lifestyle, macro, love, lights, and also colors. See, you have see more options, so that there you'll be having many options. Yeah, here in colors, see, these are the colors, and that you can select anything. So this really amazing app. By this you can even also earn money, because these are amazing thoughts, right? You can write by your own, and you can also edit to your photos. And I'm going to show you one of it, of my dad. I have done a pic for my dad. Yeah, this one. See this, my dad's is I thought this was the best one for him, because when you find the difficult times, you know that the challenge is not sent to you, sent to destroy. They are sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. Yeah, I like this quote, so I thought of setting it here. And you can change into handwriting, and you can, the same one you can do it on your own. So I thought of so you can do to your pics and also the templates also. So try this out. This is the best app for all new videos. So